Right, so Dad's helping me out with the window visors, installing that now. Just make sure it's flushed out. I know the car's a bit dirty. Oh, look. And then the car is dirty for sure, but I'm gonna wait until the rain is gone tomorrow, hopefully. But yeah, I hope this, yeah, it's already looking good. I only put one. I'm exhausted, we're fasting, so trying to kill some time out here. Yeah, that's how it looks. It looks pretty dope. I really like it. It blends in. It's gloss black. Yeah, this is nice. That's it. There you go. I'll put the back side, see how it looks after. I took a before and after picture I'll be taking. But it looks amazing. See? Yep. Alright guys, so that's how it looks with the front one is done. And the back is done as well. So yeah, they're both installed. I really like the style. Like, just make sure, don't get the one that's like, you know, you just stick it up and just like, it just kind of comes down like a hill. Those are ugly. So as you can see the side, it's really nice style. It adds really good look. Yeah, definitely gotta get this one if you guys like them. Yeah, comment below if you want a link or see where I got it. I got it on eBay, but if you need a link, which one it was, it came in within like a week. That's how it looks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get 2 more mods coming soon, so definitely stay tuned. Hit the like button and subscribe. And thanks for supporting the channel.